Get woman pregnant. If you want to be a father but your sperm count is too low, you can safely treat this problem and in a short time by using herbs. Herbs since ancient times have been used as natural medicines to remove sexual infirmities, weaknesses, and shortcomings successfully and very effectively. These provide a holistic cure to the problem and without causing any sort of side effects. Today, these herbs are available in herbal products, but beware of cheap products as every product claiming to be herbal is not honest about its claims. There are two most trusted, safe, and highly effective products available in the market that can increase sperm count and male virility in a short time. Spermac and Vital M-40 capsules are two prolific products that, in combination, can take a male's potency to a much higher level and also improve his vitality and virility. If you want to be a father, but your sperm count is too low, you can treat this problem or any other by using these supplements in a short time. In this video, you will know low sperm count treatments to get pregnant and boost male fertility. Male fertility supplements. Spermac capsules come loaded with herbs that are natural and safe aphrodisiacs. These herbs naturally elevate the secretion of testosterone hormone in the male body. Males having lesser secretion of this hormone suffer from the weak and sluggish reproductive system and lethargic reproductive organs. Infirmities in the reproductive system and organs do not allow the body to produce quality semen containing an optimum number of sperms. With an increase in testosterone level, males gain active, healthy, and rejuvenated reproductive systems and vital organs to produce quality semen in large volumes. If you want to be a father, but your sperm count is too low, you can quickly treat this problem with Spermac capsules. If you want to know how to get Spermac and Vital M-40 capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Benefits of herbal remedies. Herbal ingredients of Spermac capsules also promote higher blood flow to provide higher nourishment to reproductive organs and nerves. Active nerves increase sensation and arouse keen desire in males to make love. It increases the frequency of lovemaking and improves the chances of conception. Combine Vital M-40 capsules with Spermac for better and long-lasting results. Vital M-40 pills increase a male's vitality in a short time. Males with sound physical health possess higher virility and potency. Vital M-40 capsules supplement essential nutrients to the body, elevating muscular endurance, muscle mass, strength, and stamina. These nutrients also work as raw materials for reproductive organs and produce semen with an optimum number of healthy and motile sperms to permanently resolve the problem. Males with higher energy levels maintain reproductive organs and systems in pristine health and stay fertile for a more extended period in life. Conclusion. If you want to be a father, but your sperm count is too low, you can treat this problem forever using Spermac and Vital M-40 capsules in combination. Due to their purely herbal composition, these capsules are perfectly safe and suitable for males of any age and do not cast any side effects even after prolonged use. These capsules, due to herbal composition, can be taken without any medical prescription. World's finest male fertility pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Spermac and Vital M-40 capsules from ayushremedies.in. The product link is given in the video description.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.